How to get a Temu affiliate code. So before we begin, you can click on my link below to sign up as a Temu affiliate so you can follow along this tutorial and start earning some money. So now once you click on my link, just simply click on get started over here. And after that, just simply provide your email address over here and just simply register to an account, or you can just simply go continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, or you can just simply click on here to have more options like Twitter. So in my case, I will going for Google. So click on Google, and after that, just simply select your account. And from here, just simply go ahead and click on continue, and you should be able to sign in into an account and create an account. And now once you have created an account or continue with your account, right away you should be able to see here share to earn. So just simply click on share to earn over here, and after that you should be able to click on copy link over here, and you should be able to have an option over here copy, which you will have a template on your link. And now if we close this one, as you can see, you will have here three options as well. So you can go for $100 coupon bundle. So you can just simply click on share over here, and you should be able to copy the link, or you can just simply click on copy over here to get the template, and it will be the same thing on the other as well. And now on the left side over here, you will have another option, pick items. So you can just simply click on pick items over here. And after that, you should be able to see here multiple items that you can share. And as you can see right away, you should be able to see here the price or the commission that you will get when people buy this. And you will see the maximum commission potential that you have. So in order for you to share it, just simply click on share. And after that, it will be the same process. You should be able to copy the template over here, or you can just simply copy the link over here and do your own template. And from there, once you have the link, of course, share it to a different social media platform in order for you to earn some money. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.